Okay guys, I am here with a new, well, not new, but new to me. I got a little bit ago, not too long ago. NITECORE MH25GTS. Has the charging capability. Then, because I got this one used, it did come with a box, so I don't have the box to show you. Did not come with a holster, so I got myself this little guy. Pretty nifty. I like it. A little bit bulky when you put it in on your belt, but otherwise not too bad. It did come with a charging cable to charge it. It came with a battery, be a 3500 mAh NITECORE battery. Nice little light. I like it. I bought this myself as a aftermarket add-on for the flashlight. But it would come with a regular little holster, nothing too special, just a normal, one that comes with NITECORE usually. There's there's little flimsy, okay, I don't have any major issues with them, but they're not the best. Just something that comes with the flashlight. And I like this. I like the light. It's a pretty decent light. I've carried it a little bit here and there. I've had it for a couple of weeks now. When I uploaded that one video showing that I got it, I don't know exactly how long, but I've had it for a little bit, and I've carried it here and there, and it's a nice flashlight. It definitely is a pretty decent throw. Decent flood. Like, it's not too floody, it's not too throwy. It's a little bit of both, which I like. But again, it's nothing like really special of a flashlight, but I do like it. It's compact. I can throw it in my back pocket if I need to, if I don't want to put it on my belt. I've carried it as a backup, so it's not like huge, but not exactly bulky, but it is a little bit bigger, compared to some of my flashlights. But I am filming this on my Note 10 Plus, so just let me know how the quality is, if it's better or worse than my previous videos. New phone, so I'm still breaking it in. So if you have any questions, or if you have anything you want to ask, or anything about flashlights that I have on my on my YouTube channel, feel free to ask. I am getting more flashlights coming in. I have a ton of them that I'm still waiting on. And I'm going to try to get some more videos uploaded. So try to get my channel back up and going. So please, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please do. That would be so awesome. I'd really appreciate it. And I look forward to having my channel grow. So thank you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.